Nature's back with another creepy concert. These animals sound like they're singing, but from a nightmare. Hit like and subscribe if you're brave enough to hear nature's dark symphony. These are the top 5 animals with scary singing sounds. 5. Koala. Its growl sounds like a monster snoring in the dark. 4. Capybara. Their whistles and clicks sound like eerie laughter at midnight. 3. Sperm whale. Their haunting underwater calls echo for miles. Deep, slow, and chilling. 2. Screaming paya. A rainforest bird whose song is so loud, it feels like it's calling from inside your head. 1. Walrus. Their ghostly underwater bellows sound like a broken trumpet from the deep. Absolutely haunting. Which one creeped you out the most? Drop your answer in the comments.